The OnePlus 6T comes with in-display fingerprint sensor and a large 6.41-inch screen with a smaller notch, enhancing the usage experience. The smooth glass body, slim frame and a smart arc design combine to produce a comfortable fit in your hand. Choose between two colors, midnight black and mirror black. This dual SIM phone comes in two memory options, 6GB RAM plus 128GB internal memory and 8GB RAM plus 256GB internal memory. The large 6.41-inch optic AMOLED screen with a smaller notch and 19.5:9 aspect ratio provides a vibrant and immersive viewing experience. The screen calibration feature, night and reading modes let you adjust your display settings. Corning Gorilla Glass 6 protects your screen. The in-display fingerprint sensor makes unlocking the phone easy while improving the look of the phone. You can also use the Face Unlock feature for quicker access. The 20-megapixel plus 16-megapixel dual back camera with dual LED flash provides portrait mode, optical image stabilization, HDR, nightscape, and can capture 4K and super slow motion videos. The 16-megapixel front camera can shoot great selfies and 1080p videos. The phone runs on Android 9 Pie-based Oxygen OS and has an octa-core Snapdragon 845 processor with an Adreno 630 GPU, which makes it suitable for extensive multitasking and gaming. The Oxygen OS provides additional useful features like gaming mode, smart boost, navigation gestures, and more. The phone has a 3700 mAh battery with fast charge technology to provide a full day of battery in half an hour. The handset comes with a charger, USB Type-C to 3.5mm adapter, pre-applied screen protector, translucent phone case and SIM tray ejector. The OnePlus 6T is available through various payment options. Check the product page for attractive no-cost EMI and exchange offers.
An Amazon exclusive.